Today, we are going to introduce the anatomy of the milkfish or bangus. First, we are going to record the fish length, which is 25 centimeters. Here is the anterior or cranial, the dorsal part, ventral part, and the posterior or caudal. Let us now label the fins. Dorsal fin, anal fin, pelvic fin, and the pectoral fin. Caudal fin. Now let's label the remaining external anatomy, which are the eye, operculum, gills that can be found inside. These gills are composed of gill filaments, gill arch, and the gill rakers. Mandible, nares or nostrils. This part of the fish is called the lateral line. In dissection, a scalpel blade is used for incision, or the rounded part of the scissors for cutting. Now, let's check out the internal anatomy. The organs that can be found inside are heart, liver, stomach, intestine, aorta, gallbladder, spleen, the swim bladder.